Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I created these floral French tips using transfer foils. So I already measured them out. I'm doing a medium square by Apres in size medium, so that's 15468, and I'm using the color Angel Face by Igel Beauty. It's a really pretty nude. It's like a light nude with a little bit of shimmer in it. It's so pretty. It's definitely a favorite. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and do 3 layers of this base, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I draw my Frenchies. Okay, so here is 3 layers done. I'm not sure if you can really see the shimmer, but when I show you guys like the final product, you'll be able to see the shimmer a little bit better. Then I'm going to go in with this white right here by VShine. It's a really good thick consistency, so it's perfect for Frenchies. It's just our gel polish VShine. I'll link it down below. And every once in a while, I will mix it with my Chiara Sky Blank Slate White, because that's a super thick consistency. So it just depends on like the type of consistency like I feel like working with that day. But for this set, I just did the white gel polish. I didn't mix it or anything like that. So yeah. And then another thing I've really been liking to before I do my Frenchies is I like to wipe off that, sticky layer, tacky layer, shiny layer. I like to wipe that off so that I'm kind of working with more of a matte base, and in my opinion, I feel like the gel polish just sticks to it better. It doesn't really bleed or run, so I'm able to get more nails done at a time when I'm doing my Frenches. Okay, so to me, this is the easiest way to do a French. I just start off my line to where I want the, French to start, and then I go off on my sides and connect, and then I really perfect it. I do like to twist the nail just to make sure that everything is even and equal, but yeah, this is the way I like to do my Frenchies. This is the easiest way that I've found. just going to show you guys one more nail, how I do my Frenchies, and then I will show you guys the next step before we add the transfer foils. Alright, so now we have the Frenchies all complete. They look so pretty. I cannot wait to add flowers to them. So I'm going to go in with the Makartt foil glue, and then I will cure it. I'm only going to do the foil glue on the actual French part. So I will show you guys how I do that. And then this is the foils that I will be using. I will try my best to link them. They didn't have a brand or anything on them, but I'm pretty sure they're just from Amazon. So I will try my best to link them down below. It's like an entire foil, like plastic, eight foil kit type thing. But yeah, there's like 8 different foils and all floral, really pretty. So I'm just gonna go in with the foil gel, and I'm only putting it on the white. That's the only place I want the foils to go. Okay, so I have added the foil gel and cured it. I like to cure it 2 times in 60 seconds, so 120 seconds total. To me, that gives it like the stickiest application. That's just what's worked for me, and that's with the Makartt brand. That's the only brand that I've really tried. So yeah, that's what I like to do. And then for my foils, when I'm doing the Frenchies, really any nail, I like to cut them in strips because it's a lot easier to work with smaller strips rather than like this huge long piece and foils like flying everywhere. But so I like to cut off like at least 5 pieces, and then I'll go in and see like what parts I can reuse, because I don't like to just use a little piece and then throw it away. I like to try to use all the flowers that I can, or whatever foil that I'm using, and then I'll throw it away. So that's just what I'm doing here, is just cutting some strips, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start adding the foil to the nails. Okay, so for the foils, you can honestly place it however you want. I just was trying to figure out how I wanted to place it and what flowers I wanted to show the most, and I really liked these orange ones and the blue ones, and I just thought that was so pretty. So I just placed it on the nail like that, and you push it as hard as you can onto the nail. This nail was not sticking that great to the stand, so I had to like take it off at some point. But yeah, I basically just rub the foil in as hard as I can. I kind of scratch it using my nail as well, just to make sure that that foil is really on the nail. And then when you're ready to pull it off, and you slowly pull it off, it kind of just pops right off, and then all of the foil print is left on the nail. Okay, so right here I am just pulling it off very gently, and it's basically just kind of coming off. I noticed there was some sticky parts still on the nude part, so I'll show you guys right now how I got that off. But yeah, that's how the foils work. It's super simple, super easy. You just have to take your time. This set did take a little while, just because I did florals on every single nail, and they take time, but they come out so pretty, and it's so worth it. So to get off the foil from the nude, I use a little alcohol pad and just rub it until it all comes off. It takes off the sticky, it takes off the foil, it takes everything off. So if you do ever mess up on a foil, or you don't like the way it looks, you could do that as well. I would just rub it all off with the alcohol wipe, and then I would buff it and then add a new layer of foil gel. But that is what I would do if you ever did mess up on the foils. So yeah, as far as foils go, I would say just take your time, and really just, yeah, take your time. They are pretty simple once you get the hang of it. I will have a few more foil videos coming soon. And I didn't realize until I was editing this video, but this is just about the last clip that I had. I guess my camera died, so I did end up finishing. I finish filed, I packed them, and this is the final set. I am obsessed. They are for sale. They're on my site. They are a size medium in medium square. They are so pretty. But yeah, so these were a ready to ship set. If you guys like this video, definitely hit that like button, subscribe, and be ready for more. Thanks guys. Bye.